So Peter chimed in and he said, hey, listen, if you don't want to pay taxes, just keep building, which, you know, is kind of true. You want to talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, like I said, because typically when you buy let's say you buy a new laundromat, you buy one and you've got equipment there you're buying, you purchase it, you set it up, you get it running, you're going to get a lot of deduction from depreciation, all the setup costs, you get a lot of expenses along the way. So that first year, like I said, right now there's with bonus depreciation, which is 60%, which you can take 60% of an asset and write it off, or there's other type of deduction called Section 179 depreciation, which may allow you to expense the entire cost of the asset in the first year. So there's a couple of different ways to take that deduction, but what that results in is usually large deductions in the first year, right? Well, okay, I get a large deductions, I have income in that first year. Let's say I have enough deductions to offset my income, I don't pay any tax. Well, next year now comes along year two, I have all this income, my deductions, I've used a lot of those. So now my deductions are lower, now I got some tax consequences I may have to deal with. So what do? I go out and start another laundromat. Right now, okay, I got the big deductions again, and I get depreciation, I get all that bonus and that stuff again. Oh, and then okay, come year three, I do it again. And that kind of building your empire by using that, and understand along the way here, I'm paying very little tax because I'm taking all that depreciation deduction. Now, obviously, as you continue to grow in year 4, 5, 6, that income may be high enough to where you're not getting, by building just one laundromat at a time, you're not getting enough deductions to offset all your income. But again, it will certainly lower the amount of tax you have to pay, which is, like I said, what they're talking about there is kind of building your empire. You get one going, you get figured out, you get the next one in line, and do those year after year. Certainly can be an easy way to reduce your taxes as you're moving along.